guys, my name is Victoria Shitabunya and I'm from Insecure Academy. So our school is located 9 miles from the town CBD, it's 9 miles along Manicaland Highway. So here we are gathered to, we have bootcamps, people are elaborating or they're sharing information to us which is helpful for our careers, like the exhibitions.
I'm from High School. So today we came here for career guidance. I've also discovered that there are many careers that are out there in the world that can help us. Even though if you failed your O-level subjects, you can find venture into other careers. I've also discovered that it's not always good in my books. You can use my books in my careers. You can also use your talents in finding careers.
My name is Manicaland and I'm an O-level student at St. Mary's High School. Career guidance. Chidzidziswa kuti tione kuti tapedza kunyora O-level unokwanisa kuita chii, kwete kuti unongoenda just kuenda O-level usingazivi kuti uchada kuita chii pamberi. And tadzidziswa wewe one take and then uchidzidziswa kuti zvetechnology unongoinawo future unokwanisa kuziva pekutangira. So that's what we do.
And you see this honey, we have a project here where we have our own beehives and we are processing this honey at our college.
I am Mawire Mbengo, Schools Inspector in charge of guidance and counseling at the provincial office in Manicaland province. On behalf of the Chief Director of Provincial Education Services, we are really excited to partner with the Zimpapers at the Careers Expo exhibition, where we are saying as a Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education, we are the only ministry that is commissioned with the responsibility of ensuring that all our learners have access to equitable, quality and relevant education. But because of the immensity of the responsibility as government, we partner with the development partners like Diamond FM to ensure that the mandate is cascaded to all corners of the country and the province, in particular in Manicaland. And in so doing, we are really excited that Diamond FM has partnered with our ministry and government to ensure that our learners have access to various career opportunities as provided by various institutions of higher learning. And as a ministry, this is in line with the ministry's HBC that is actually rolling out a two-pathway system that is offering education services to both those who are academically gifted and those who are not academically gifted, who proceed to take up various career opportunities in line with their areas of skills of excellence.